In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at basic widgets in Flutter. Widgets in general can be treated as basic building blocks of an application. In Flutter, we have stateless and stateful widgets. We also have layout widgets, and we'll be exploring all these types in this lecture. So to start with, we'll be proceeding with a stateless widget first. So here in our application, inside main.dot file, you'll notice the first line says class myApp extends stateless widget. So this class that we have over here is a widget in itself, which is coming from a stateless widget. When we say stateless, that means this widget will not retain any data when the application will be rerun. The state widget, as we have over here, that is stateful widget, contains a state object, as you can read from the comments, and this contains fields that affect how the application will look. Here you'll notice the my home page has got two things, key and title. Key is then passed to the super class, that is the stateful widget class. And here this one is basically providing a theme to our application. So it says title Flutter demo, and then theme, here we have the theme data, primary swatch, which is the colors.blue, and then the home page title comes as Flutter demo home page. And here you can see we are having the state created. So my home page state, create state, my home page state. So that's how this becomes a stateful widget. And here you can see its definition, class my home page state extends state. So state over here is not a widget, it's a class, and this basically makes use of the counter variable, which gets incremented every time you click on that plus icon or button. Then, as I mentioned, we will be now looking at layout widgets. So in Flutter, even this center that you are seeing is a widget which is used to center the child elements. So center, column, all these are used for layout widgets. Then we have text. So the text that comes up that you have pushed the button this many times is also a widget in Flutter. And you can go ahead and change this text or include one more text, as we have two texts over here. That is, one just says a static message, you have pushed the button this many times, and the other one is actually making use of the counter variable that we defined in our state. So here, as you can see, this is the counter variable which was declared, and it's a state variable, and it can be accessed in a text widget as shown over here. So in short, we have covered stateless, stateful, and layout widgets in this lecture.